Hi everyone, welcome back to Bullbear Logic. Today is day 1 of our option trading series and we are going to start with a very important topic, how stock market moves. Now many of you already may know all these basics, but I'm covering them because there are many beginners are just going to start. So if I directly jump into the advanced topics, they may get confused. So if you already have a knowledge on this, or if you have already have intermediate knowledge, just hang in there. We will gradually move to the advanced topics like wheel strategy, credit debit spreads, all those. Before we jump into the topic, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Just I'm making this content educational purposes only. So if you want to make any trading decisions, please use your due diligence or reach out to a financial advisor. So let's jump into the topic. So when a company want to raise money to grow a business, it will go to public. Recently we have seen same thing with SpaceX. So they will share their piece of business in the form of shares to us. So this everyone knows, like, okay, stock market means we will buy a company shares when the price is attractive, or will sell those shares when we think we made a good money, or if we want to book our profits. But you will often, like when you discuss about trading, many people will say, hey, I do option trading, or I will trade on gold, silver, like even crude oil, all those commodities. And some will say, hey, I'm trading on like a currency. So you will get confused, like, I know, like, I can buy a company shares or I can sell, but what all this? But in this series we are going to cover the options. So when they simply say options are risky, or you make so much money on options, all these words, but they don't explain what are options. That is completely, like, for many of you, that is a black box, but in this series we are going to clear all those. Now, options themselves derive their value from their underlying assets. Usually, those assets are stocks or ETFs, whatever you choose, or indexes. So, the moment of options ultimately based on the moment of the stock or ETF what you pick. So, with stocks, concept is very simple in general. When you do a stocks trading, when you buy when the stock price is attractive, and when you sell when the stock price is like, if once you think you made a good money. And options are different. You are not actually buying a stock itself. Instead, you are buying a contract that gives certain rights but not obligations. One interesting thing about options is that you can potentially benefit in two directions. If you believe if that stock goes high, you can buy a contract saying that the stock will go high. If that works in your direction, you will make money. But if that goes against you, you will lose your entire contract amount. The same way, if you think a stock may go down based on your analysis, you are thinking that stock price is too high, so definitely that will come down as per your analysis. In that case, you are taking a contract saying that that stock will go down. So as you expect, if that goes down, you are going to make money. So this is how you can make money in options two ways. And there are many other ways too. Uh, we'll discuss those in the later classes. And don't worry too much about the details now, because we will cover all those in upcoming classes. For today, just I want to give you an understanding of a big picture, how option works. And next I will show you where we can actually buy and sell options. Today just I will show you where you can see the option chain and how the option chain looks like. So I use two platforms, one is Robinhood and one is Schwab. So if you have those, you can do the same thing what I'm doing. But if you have a different platform like Tasty Trades or Weber, just maybe the same way in general you can search and find out. But if it's still confused, maybe you can Google it and try to find out that. So this is how the option chain looks like. This is Robinhood. I opened in my browser, and if you search any ticker whatever you want, either Tesla or Palantir or anything, you can see this is the option chain. But if you are a beginner, I would suggest go to Robinhood Legend and see, that will be more clear when it comes to option chain. If you see, this is the Robinhood Legend. I opened and just I searched with the index SPX, but see here it's more clear where you can see the calls and puts in a same place, and this is the bid and ask. But don't worry about all this, each and everything we are going to cover in our next classes. And if you have Schwab, this is how it looks like. Same thing, you will come here and search the ticker you want. So I searched like a SpaceX, and if you see, this is here will be the option chain. I'll show you a different thing here, like maybe Tesla, and then see, like here you can find the option chain, and then simply you can pick, and this is how the option chain looks like. And in our next class we will dive deeper into what options really and how to open the option contract. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. Make this series more interactive. I will try to answer all of your questions. And please like and share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.